How to embed HTML template on Outlook email. So if you want to embed HTML template on Outlook email, then what you need to do is first you need to launch your Outlook. After launching your Outlook, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now in the menu bar, you need to click on new email, which is on the top left. And here under the to section, give your recipient address. Now give it a subject. Let's add test. Now, if we want to attach anything in the email, normally what we do is just go to insert, which will be in the top left, and then attach a file. We select our desired file from the recent menu, or we can browse the computer to look for our file. Right. This is an HTML file. Let's select it. Go and select your HTML file. And once your HTML file is uploaded, if you want to embed the file with the email, to do this, you have to add a button in the quick access toolbar. In the quick access toolbar, you need to click on the customize section, which will be on the top. Click on that. You'll open customize quick access toolbar section. In the drop down menu, you need to turn on the attach file option. A new attach button should appear on the quick access. You can just go with the attach, which is right here. Click on the new attach button. Now browse to your HTML file location and select it. Now you need to just click on the bottom right, which has that drop down beside the insert button. If you click fully on insert, it will not work. In the drop down menu, click on insert as text. Here you can see that my HTML file is now embedded in my email. So in this way, you'll be able to embed HTML template on your Outlook email. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.